Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Forester. It has the 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 51,971 original miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with this interior trunk cover. It is removable and the seats do stow away. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away. All right, the number that you're seeing over here, 83,641, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 51,971. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.